11 Best Niches to Earn Money on YouTube Without Showing Your Face. Welcome to my channel. Niche content on YouTube allows for lucrative monetization without personal visibility. Compelling options include screen recording tutorials, animated explainer videos, and podcast clips. Product unboxing and reviews, compilation videos, and gaming walkthroughs cater to diverse interests. Educational whiteboard animation, stock footage videos, and voiceover narration offer creative avenues. These niches provide opportunities for ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, allowing creators to prosper without stepping in front of the camera, appealing to a wide audience seeking informative and visually engaging content. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 11. DIY and crafting tutorials. DIY and crafting tutorials stand out as an excellent niche for earning money on YouTube without revealing your face. By showcasing hands-on creativity and step-by-step instructions, you can engage audiences with inspiring and practical content. Monetization opportunities include affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling handmade items. This niche caters to a broad audience interested in honing their skills or finding inspiration, making it a lucrative choice for content creators who prefer to stay behind the camera. Number 10. Topical news or commentary. Topical news or commentary emerges as a lucrative niche for YouTube monetization without appearing on camera. Share your insights, opinions, and analysis on current events or trending topics. Monetization avenues include ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. This niche allows you to leverage your voice and perspective to captivate audiences, offering an excellent opportunity for those preferring a behind-the-scenes approach to content creation. Number 9. Gaming walkthroughs and guides. Gaming walkthroughs and guides present an ideal niche for YouTube monetization without the need to reveal your face. Share your gaming expertise through comprehensive walkthroughs, strategy guides, and commentary. Monetization opportunities include ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing within the gaming industry. This niche caters to a vast gaming community, providing a pathway for those who prefer to keep their on-camera presence minimal while delivering valuable gaming content. Number 8. Educational whiteboard animation. Educational whiteboard animation stands out as a lucrative niche for YouTube monetization without stepping in front of the camera. Leverage whiteboard animation to explain complex concepts, share knowledge, or teach various subjects. The visual appeal of this format, combined with insightful narration, creates engaging and informative content. Monetization avenues include ad revenue, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing tied to educational products or services. This niche caters to a broad audience seeking informative and visually stimulating content, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer to remain behind the scenes while delivering valuable educational material. Number 7. Stock footage videos. Stock footage videos offer a lucrative avenue for YouTube monetization without the need to appear on camera. Curate and craft visually stunning videos using stock footage, accompanied by engaging narration or background music. This niche caters to diverse interests, from travel montages to educational content, providing a broad audience appeal. Monetization opportunities include ad revenue, sponsored collaborations, and affiliate marketing related to the stock footage industry. By tapping into this niche, creators can establish a passive income stream by delivering visually captivating and informative content without the need for personal visibility on screen. Number 6. Compilation videos. Compilation videos emerge as a lucrative niche for YouTube monetization, allowing creators to earn without stepping in front of the camera. Curate and compile engaging content from various sources, be it funny moments, fails, or educational snippets, catering to a diverse audience. Crafting visually compelling compilations, accompanied by commentary or music, draws viewers seeking entertainment or informative content. Monetization avenues include ad revenue, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. This niche offers creators an opportunity to profit from viral trends and diverse subject matter, appealing to a broad range of viewers without the need for on-camera presence. Number 5. Podcast clips. Podcast clips emerge as a lucrative niche for YouTube monetization without the need for on-camera presence. Convert your podcast content into engaging video snippets, enhancing them with relevant visuals or animations. This approach caters to audiences seeking concise yet impactful content on various topics. Monetization opportunities include ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. By leveraging this niche, creators can tap into the growing popularity of podcasts, reaching a broader audience and earning income through diverse channels while maintaining anonymity behind the scenes. It's an excellent choice for those who prefer voice-centric content creation. Number 4. Product unboxing and reviews. Product unboxing and reviews stand as a profitable niche for YouTube monetization without personal visibility on screen. Focus on showcasing and evaluating products, sharing opinions and insights while keeping the camera on the items. By emphasizing the product over personal presence, creators can earn through ad revenue and partnerships, appealing to viewers interested in authentic and thorough reviews. It's an ideal niche for those who prefer a behind-the-scenes role while providing valuable insights to potential consumers. Number 3. Voiceover narration. Voiceover narration emerges as a lucrative YouTube niche, offering ample monetization opportunities without revealing your face. By providing compelling commentary, storytelling, or educational content, creators can engage audiences solely through their voice. Monetization avenues include ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Whether guiding audiences through immersive stories or delivering informative content, voiceover work allows creators to maintain anonymity while connecting with viewers on a deeper level, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer staying behind the scenes while earning from their vocal talents. Number 2. Animated explainer videos. Animated explainer videos present a lucrative niche for YouTube monetization without the need to be on camera. By employing animation software, creators can craft engaging and informative content, breaking down complex subjects visually. This approach suits diverse topics, from educational content to product reviews, offering broad audience appeal. Monetization opportunities encompass ad revenue, sponsored collaborations, and affiliate marketing. Animated explainer videos allow creators to showcase creativity, simplify concepts, and earn income while maintaining privacy. It's an ideal choice for those preferring a behind-the-scenes role while delivering visually captivating and informative content to their audience. Number 1. Screen recording tutorials. Screen recording tutorials offer an excellent niche for YouTube monetization, providing creators the opportunity to earn without appearing on camera. By sharing expertise on software, apps, or digital processes, creators can engage audiences through informative tutorials. Monetization opportunities include ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing related to the tutorial content. For those who prefer to stay behind the scenes, screen recording tutorials offer a valuable avenue to share valuable insights and skills, while earning income through diverse channels on YouTube. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.